gonna make my rainbow cake! Yay! Today my mom's gonna help me bake my cake. Hi Mom.
Hi everyone. Okay, what are we doing today?
We're making my cake.
Okay, cool. So what is that you need? What are your ingredients?
Okay, vegetable oil, eggs, food coloring, and water, and what else?
Let's see. The box says you need the cake mix.
Cake mix.
3 colors you need.
3 colors.
Red,
Blue,
blue, and yellow. And 2 tablespoons of oil.
And 2 tablespoons of oil.
Vegetable oil. And you need 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
And 3 eggs.
And 3 eggs.
Okay, do you have your whisk ready?
Yep.
So first you need to put your cake mix bag in the bowl.
This bowl?
Yes. Now you need to add the 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay.
Which one's the oil? Okay, perfect. Now you need your 1 cup of water. And last, you need your 3 eggs. Perfect. Now what do?
Mix. You know this song, pancake, bakers man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and do it and mark it with a B. So yeah, baby and me. Okay, I think it's smooth now. Ooh, it's smooth.
Nice and smooth.
Now our batter's ready. Now I put 6 different bowls. First, you put food coloring.
Okay, let's start with the pink one. So get the pink bowl.
Here's the pink one.
And I think it needs 2 red dots.
Okay, here's the red.
1, 2. Perfect.
I did it.
Yay! Okay, now let's do the yellow one, the yellow bowl. So add 2 drops of the yellow. Remember, gentle. 1, 2.
Okay.
Now you do the blue one. So the blue one you need
3.
1 blue drop.
Okay.
Just 1. Careful. Now we're gonna let's do the green one. You're gonna need 1 blue drop and 2 yellow.
2 yellows.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
What color is that gonna make?
Yellow.
No.
Orange.
No, we said green.
Green.
Okay, add 2 of the yellow. 1, 2.
It
Perfect.
looks like a face.
Now we're gonna do the purple one. So grab your purple bowl.
Okay.
And that one is going to need 1 drop of blue.
Okay, 1 drop blue.
And 1 drop of the red.
Okay.
So this one, you're gonna do 2 drops of red.
There.
And you need 3 drops of yellow. Now you can start mixing. Go ahead and mix the first bowl.
It's turning red.
Keep mixing.
Yes.
What color is it turning to?
Pink.
Yes, look at that. Which one's next?
I think it's blue. Oh, it's turning blue, I think.
Keep mixing.
Oh, it's turning green. Yay. It's so green. We're doing blue and orange. Oops. See. What two colors mix? I think it's mixing green. Oh, I lied, it's mixing green. Okay, the other was mixing blue, I think, and this was mixing green. Hey, you know, blue and yellow mix green. Pink, blue, green.
What's next?
Yellow. It's mixing yellow. Okay, now my next one's orange and red.
Ooh, let's see what that mixes.
Okay,
What do you think?
I think this mixes something red. Red! Let's see what I think. Or pink.
It looks like orange.
This is orange. Red and blue.
What does red and blue make?
I don't know.
What do you think?
It's making blue, I think. Oh,
Keep
yeah.
going.
It looks
Alright, what did you mix? What color did it turn into?
purple.
So what colors do you have again?
Okay, I have pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple.
Wow. How many colors is that?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors.
Okay, perfect. Now it's gonna be time to mix them in the mixing pan. Mommy's gonna do one first, and then you do one right after, okay? First, we're gonna start off with the pink one.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do that.
I can do it on top, next one on top.
Here, you do the next one.
Okay.
You do the other one.
It's
It's okay. No, you hold the pink one.
Ah.
You do it on that bowl. It's okay to get messy. Pour it in there. Next one is orange.
You did that one. I did that one.
Okay, so you see how it's in the center?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you gotta do the same.
Okay. Put not on top. Kind of sit around it.
It's okay. Next one is yellow. So you put it in the center. Half of the batter. Okay, now your turn. Next one is green. Put it in the center.
Purple is orange, pink, orange, yellow, green.
Now your turn.
Looks like a rainbow.
Blue's next.
And a purple.
Last one. What color is this?
Purple.
Right in the center. Alright.
Well, it's getting me for purple too. Still, why is it getting bigger?
Now what's the next step?
Put the oven.
Correct. We're gonna have to put it in the oven for at 350 degrees for
What?
25 to 30 minutes. And then we have to wait for it to cool down for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's go put it in the oven.
Okay, I'm gonna put this one. The cakes are ready. Now time to decorate. Put some frosting.
So we make sure that the cakes cool down for about 10 minutes.
Uh-huh.
All right, now we'll just go ahead and start frosting.
The frosting looks good.
That looks awesome.
Stunning.
Looks so good.
We need more spots.
More? Okay.
Like they're still here, you see these lines?
Oh yeah, you need to cover the whole cake?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Now, it was at the top. Now we got this on top.
All right, how do you take it out? I think you should put it on your hand first.
Yep.
It should come out. Perfect. And now make sure you flip it and put it on top.
Yes, flip it.
Yes, perfect. Woohoo, great job.
Perfect. Should we color on top?
Yep. Make sure you just straighten up the cake. Whoops, I think.
Just start decorating. Hey kids, you know what? These frostings, when you're making a cake, he has frosting here. Like everything falls down.
You have to cover the whole cake?
Yep, because the whole cake. Cover it. Like perfect.
Oh, wow.
Decorating is my favorite part. And you know what is my favorite part too?
What is it?
Is eating this.
Wow, me too.
Have you been ever eating a birthday cake?
Yes, so many times.
Okay, when someone's birthday, you eat the birthday cake. When someone says, it's time for a cake, and you come in and get it. And when someone was your birthday, you say, pizza is here.
Yeah.
Now we got to the freeze. Let's spread it out. Ah, it's falling. You see these look like unicorns?
Wow, what are those? Unicorn sprinkles?
Yep, and then there's straight ones, unicorns, and star ones. Now let's put these little
Yes!
and better clean this up. Oh. Put one here. Look at it looks like a cutie country.
Oh, how cute!
It's a bunny one. Hey, it's turning out good. This is
Turning
good.
out good? Wow, that looks great!
Yep. And one. Perfect. Hey, you have a nose and eyes. Cute. Okay. Ooh, these look good. Here. Perfect. I like it. So wait.
That looks amazing! You're a great decorator.
Hey, kids, you know I go in Magic Bake Off show, so while I'm practicing lost Bake Off show.
Oh, I know you would love to go to the Bake Off show.
Yeah, I watched it in my tablet. I tell my parents and I'm gonna go Bake Off show. I let them know.
Wow.
We just have one more, but we have one more side.
Oh no, where's the one that you were saving? Did you eat it?
No.
It's okay, you can just turn it around.
I put it on here.
Oh, it's okay. All right, what's next? Turn the cake around.
Mama, eat these. I should have this.
Okay, well, we'll eat it right now once we finish it.
Okay. Oh, now we still have more sprinkles. Oh, two more. Then, okay. Next is let's put this on top.
That looks amazing.
Now we're finished decorating my cake. forgot to tell you.
What is it?
Make sure you decorate your cake violet and come back tomorrow. Bye!
Bye! Okay, now we're gonna cut it and eat it and see what it looks inside. Yay!
Baby, we do this.
Okay,
One more thing though.
what is it?
Enjoy it! Time, enjoy it. Okay, we're cutting one view, kids. Bye. Thank you for watching. Come back next time. Bye. Okay. Now I cut my. Now see how colors look like. Oh my God! See, it's gorgeous. Okay, now let's taste it now. It looks great. It tastes like the whole green. What? It tastes, the colors look good. And I like the taste. And look at these cute marshmallows. Look at how I put the rainbow and the sprinkles. And so good. Bye. See you on my next video challenge. And don't subscribe.